Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at the certified P1 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLS 450 4MATIC. This one's a Selenite Gray. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 bi-turbo with 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. This one comes with the lighting package with adaptive high beam assist, front and rear LED daytime running lights, illuminated star, appearance package with chrome inserts on the hood, 20-inch multi-spoke wheels, brushed aluminum running boards, black MB-Tex interior with an anthracite poplar wood trim, panorama sunroof, third row seating, GLS 450 4MATIC badging, trailer hitch, power liftgate, a clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, cargo cover, fold down third row seats, driver's assistance package with blind spot assists, lane keep assist, premium one package with Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, illuminated door cells, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with sensors, hard keys for the media display, heated seats, dual clamp controls, heated and cooled cup holders, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center. This GLS has 47,844 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLS 450 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.